Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and I love to watercolor. These Spectrum Noir TriColour watercolor markers make it so easy to take these on the go, and the fact that I can take a marker and apply it directly to the paper and then use my watercolor brushes to blend out the color and do my watercoloring is just incredibly convenient. And each of these markers has 3 different colors included in it. This set is called Color Basics, and it has such an extensive variety of colors: red flame, sunflower, marine, orchid, alpine green, just to name a few. And they work awesome individually, but they also work great when you blend them together. And you don't have to put them directly on the paper that you're using. You could put them on a palette and blend them from there using your watercolor brush and then apply it to the paper. It's just so versatile and so convenient to have just 3 markers and get all of these colors. And they're just vibrant colors as well. I love the quality of Spectrum Noir and the fact that they made watercoloring so much easier, so convenient to just apply directly to the paper or to a palette is just exceptional. And they make it so fun for me to continue watercoloring and making all those fun projects. And that's my point of view.